Hello everybody! Happy New Year! Remember my Quilling Aces? Today we will make the third one, namely the Ace of Hearts. We will use pieces that we have used in other projects before, including in the two previous Ace videos, like this black cardboard here, on which we will glue the rest of our pieces. First, some swirls that will form the outer shape of our heart. I have done swirls so many times before, so I don't want to bore you with this again, but in case some of you haven't seen any of the videos with them, I will add a link in the description that will take you to my Great Swirls tutorial, where you will find many models. To have a greater impact on our heart shape, I will glue more than one layer of swirls. The second type of shape used is an eccentric teardrop. I will show you here some normal ones, but also shaped ones, and again you will find another link in the description that will take you to a tutorial I prepared for you a while ago with the most used quilling shapes. That's also the video where you will find all the other following items. The next shape is a bent circle teardrop. I made small ones from half a strip. The size of them may differ depending on your design and your preferences. Again, some eccentric teardrops, this time from paper with glittery edges. The next shape is a circle looping made from the same paper with glittery edges. This one is a C-wrap bent inside, and you will find the way of making it in my part 4 tutorial for beginners, the one that only shows you the shapes you can make with the comb. Again, link in the description for it. For this particular C-wrap, I made 10 pairs of loops on the big comb. The next shape is a heart actually, made from 2 circle loopings, glued together and shaped accordingly. Guess what? I have a video on how you make quilling hearts, just check the link in the description and look for model number 9. The only difference is that in the mentioned tutorial, I used eccentric teardrops, and in this one I used circle loopings. The next pieces we will need for making the A letter are some thicker strips, made from several normal strips glued together. I glued 5 in total, one on top of the other, but you can make them thicker or thinner if you wish. Now we will start gluing everything together on the black cardboard in a design that I previously had in my mind. Take care of the amount of glue you use, not to overuse it. I'm telling you this because in my rush to do the video, I kind of used more than I should have, and it's really noticeable on this black paper and not in a good way. While you can correct the amount before it dries, you can't do anything to it after it's dry, and it's really bad if you mess something up. Maybe I'll work on a video on how to repair common mistakes in the future, because I know everyone makes mistakes sometimes, and it would be nice to know how to correct them. And that's it. Hope you like it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. For this Ace of Hearts, I wanted to use well-known shapes and, for that matter, a small number of shapes so any of you can make it. As always, this heart can be made in so many ways and decorated in so many different manners that you can make the entire deck of cards without having two identical hearts. It is entirely up to you, your perception, taste and experience, to make it however you wish. What I've shown you here is a design I had in my mind, and you are free to modify it as you wish. Since the new year has started, I hope you'll have lots of success in getting your projects done, and I hope everyone will be healthy and happy in the days to come. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.